Let me ask you something. What if you could build real, compounding savings and invest in the stock market every single day without ever consciously thinking about it? Imagine building wealth without spreadsheets, without restrictive budgets, and without forcing yourself to manually move money aside every payday. It just happens completely automatically in the background of your life. I remember the very first time I downloaded an app that rounded up my daily credit card purchases and invested the spare change. I was deeply skeptical. I thought to myself, how much can 25 cents from a morning coffee really accomplish? But after 6 months of normal daily life, I opened the app and checked my balance. I had accumulated over $500 without feeling a single ounce of financial friction. It felt like discovering hidden money I never knew I owned. That was the exact moment I realized a fundamental rule of personal finance. The key to building lasting wealth isn't about making painful, dramatic sacrifices. It's about establishing small, friction-free automated systems that compound steadily over time. Today, I am going to show you 5 apps that can help you save and invest your spare change automatically. These are tools I have personally tested and used to build financial peace of mind. Let's get right into it. App 1, Acorns, Automated Micro-Investing and Round UPS. Acorns is widely considered the pioneer of micro-investing, and for good reason. The platform operates on a simple yet effective mechanism, rounding up every transaction from your linked debit or credit cards to the nearest dollar and investing the spare change directly into diversified portfolios. For instance, if you purchase a morning coffee for $3.50, Acorns automatically rounds it up to $4 and sends 50 cents into your investment account. When I first linked my daily spending card to Acorns, I completely forgot the app was running. 3 months later, I logged into my dashboard and was amazed to see over $200 accumulated in fractional contributions. Because the transfers happen in small increments like 30 cents or 50 cents, your daily checking account balance never feels depleted. What makes Acorns truly effective is where that money goes. Instead of sitting in a zero-interest holding account, your spare change is automatically distributed across diversified ETF portfolios containing low-cost index funds tracking real estate, government bonds, and major corporate equities based on your risk tolerance. Furthermore, you can activate multiplier features to double or triple your roundups, or set up recurring $5 weekly deposits. Over a decade, those tiny daily contributions compound into thousands of dollars in capital without requiring active portfolio management. App 2, Qapital, Behavioral Savings Rules and Gamification. Qapital takes a highly customizable approach to savings by utilizing automated rules that trigger transfers based on your everyday habits, turning financial discipline into an intuitive background game. Instead of relying strictly on traditional roundups, Qapital allows you to establish behavioral triggers. I remember setting up a rule that transferred $5 into my high-yield savings vault every single time I logged a workout or hit my daily step goal. Another rule automatically moved $10 into savings whenever I resisted ordering late-night food. By tying financial savings directly to personal habit tracking, the app creates positive behavioral reinforcement. The real power of Qapital lies in its flexibility. You can configure rules like save $10 every time I spend money at a fast food franchise, transforming guilty pleasure expenses into forced savings opportunities. You can also customize your roundup multipliers up to 5 times the spare change amount. When I tested a triple roundup rule for 6 months, my savings account grew by over $800 without requiring a single manual transfer. Qapital transforms passive spending into active wealth accumulation.
App 3, Oct, formerly Digital Algorithmic AI Savings.
Oct, originally known as Digit, approaches automated savings through artificial intelligence and predictive algorithms that analyze your income patterns and spending history. When I first tested the platform, I was cautious about granting an algorithm direct transfer access to my primary checking account out of fear of overdraft fees. However, the underlying AI system is remarkably sophisticated. It monitors your upcoming utility bills, predictable subscription charges, and average daily spending to calculate precisely how much surplus capital you can spare on any given day. On quiet spending weeks, it might transfer $8 into your savings vault. On weeks with heavy expenses, it might only move 40 cents or pause transfers completely. This adaptive mechanism eliminates the stress of fixed-amount transfers. The app operates quietly in the background, continuously sweeping small micro-deposits into designated emergency vaults or vacation funds without pushing your checking account into low-balance warnings. A colleague of mine set an automated goal for a $1,500 emergency cushion, and the algorithm reached that milestone in less than 8 months, completely unnoticed. App 4. Chime. Integrated Automatic Banking. Chime is an intuitive digital banking platform designed to embed automated savings features directly into your core checking account. Rather than functioning as a third-party overlay app, Chime integrates automated savings straight into its native financial infrastructure. The platform offers 2 primary automated mechanisms: transaction roundups and automated paycheck splitting. Through the Save When I Get Paid feature, you can instruct the system to automatically move 5 to 10% of your direct deposited paycheck straight into a high-yield savings account the second your salary hits your account. When I enabled a 10% automatic paycheck split, I adapted my monthly spending to the remaining balance instantly. Because the saved portion never sits idle in your checking account, you eliminate the cognitive impulse to spend it. Over an 18-month period, this seamless infrastructure allowed me to accumulate over $2,000 in reserves while earning competitive interest rates directly within the app's ecosystem. App 5. Stash. Fractional investing and smart portfolios. Stash combines automated saving tools with fractional share investing, making the stock market accessible to anyone regardless of starting capital. For many beginners, investing in single shares of major technology or industrial companies feels out of reach due to high share prices. Stash solves this barrier by utilizing fractional share purchasing, allowing users to invest in major equities or specialized market sectors with as little as $5. Through its Auto Stash feature, you can establish automated recurring deposits that execute weekly or monthly, consistently purchasing fractional shares of low-cost index funds or individual equities, regardless of market fluctuations. Over a 2-year period, automating a simple $25 weekly contribution built an investment portfolio worth over $2,500. Additionally, Stash provides automated, smart portfolios that handle asset rebalancing and risk management dynamically based on market shifts, removing guesswork for long-term investors. By leveraging these 5 automated platforms, Acorns, Qapital, Oakt, Chime, and Stash, you remove emotional friction and willpower from your personal financial management. Building long-term wealth isn't about timing the market perfectly or waiting for a sudden income jump. It is about establishing automated systems today that quietly build capital every time you live your daily life. If you found these automated financial tools and strategies helpful, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a guide. Special thanks to our supporters: Sarah J., Mike R., Emma W., Carlos M., and Alex K. Your continued support makes these free financial guides possible every single week. Thank you so much for watching. Automate your finances, and I will see you in the very next video.